This was just a retake because I only took one ride in my videos in 2019 here. But I don't have time to film the post cases right now, but it's a Postipuuntie 2. Posträdsgatan must be, or Postträdsvägen. Built in 1984, and it's lighting up when it's occupied. Built in 1984 by Otis, turned 25 years old in 2019. When I was here, it's in Leppävaara, Espoo, Espoo's region, Finland. It's 19 NE 1006, it's 1007 in the stick speed, as you know.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected next year. 2023 with 6 floors. Let's do 2 rides here. Too bad the buttons don't light up here.
Yeah. Inspected by Serbian, maintained by Espoo.
We have also filmed a few of them from 1970s, but almost all of them are gone today.
Yeah.
It has some speed leveling.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching, and for the stick speed you can watch my video from 2019.
That's